Alright guys, here we go. It's time for last night's Trilogy bin. Subterfuge, box break number 1337, also known as Elite in game speak. Some of you guys will get that, some of you guys won't. Ferg, Sean, Ferg, Jack, Todd, Shane, Aaron, Jack, Shane, Rick is in there. Jack got the ninja. Ferg, Jack, Aaron, and Shane with the 5+ wheel spin. Shane, Aaron, Tebow, Aaron. Yeah, whatever. Here we go. Yeah, everybody's in there. So, not that many different people in this one, but whatever. 12 darts for Jack first. We'll do some wheel spins, then we'll open up that box. Alright, Jack. Saving up his darts for another box of DP, I'm sure. Starting off with a 1010. Good one. And a 1717. You're off to a great start. And a double bull. Awesome start. And a 777. Not so much. Oh yeah, single bull. Right, Todd. My bad. 888. I would have caught it. But, you know, I can't see. Single 7 halfway there for Jack's Ninja. And then we're going to get him a... Hey, look at that. Oh, this is the refund one. So somebody's going to get a refund in this break. I'm going to spin the wheel. If it lands on Jack's team, he gets it. Anybody else, they're going to get it. There's also a variant of this where you win a fridge magnet. Hopefully my fridge magnets come in tomorrow. I seem to give a lot of those away. Single 3, double 1, 444, 10. Hey, it could happen. You got some good teams for a refund too. 6. Oh yeah, I still got to do Aaron's baseball refund. And 18. Alright, so we're going to spin for the refund first, and then we're going to do the 5+ wheel spins. Playing for free in this Trilogy box is going to be the... Philadelphia Flyers and Nick. You got yourself a refund, buddy. I'll send it to you tomorrow. I like to give people a chance to watch the video so they don't have to, they don't get spoilers or whatever. So, and I know Nick works late and watches the videos late, so I'll set a phone alarm to give you that tomorrow. Anyways, Ferg, you're going to get a 5+ wheel spin. And the sheet is, where's the sheet? Lost the sheet. Oh, I bet you I put it away with the bid. Yeah. Did it. So everything on here, Bill don't want it, is going to be a dart. And any magnet is going to be 2 darts, because I'm out of magnets right now. So here we go, Ferg. To get that sheet laminated or something. Ferg, the Winnipeg Jets, Canadian team, 2 darts for you. All the Canadian teams got 2 darts, except the Leafs are 6. Because the Leafs are so awesome. Double deuce. And 444. You got yourself a 2-4. Double 2, 444 for Ferg. Jack, you're up, buddy. Oh, almost Toronto, but I land on Vancouver. 2 darts for Jack. Yeah, Jack, single 20. Yeah, double 20. Alright, well that takes care of your 20s. I'll just write that 20 down there. And Shane Dog. Shane started a coffee shop. I wonder if it's open yet. He's telling me about it. the New York Rangers. And that is a single dart for Shane. Yeah, double 10. Double 10. And Aaron. Really appreciate the support of grabbing 5 teams, guys. You got yourself the Tampa Bay Lightning, which is a dart. Put this thing away. Brian still thinks I should paint that wheel. He doesn't like the wood grain. And Aaron, single 8. Alright, shenanigans are done. But this break, guys, we are also on 8s. This bin, so when he hits the qualifier, going to 8 pile. And also, I had 2 boxes of Trilogy, and Don, aka Ferg, picked the right side one. So if this box ain't good, blame it on Don. That's all I'm saying. Just throwing it up there. So good luck, guys. If you don't want to blame Don, blame Justin Trudeau, because everybody else is. Serial number is ending in 7149. Yeah, I can't even stand anything political anymore. It's ridiculous. Out of $4.99, Radiant Blue Ice Premiers for the Buffalo Sabres and Ferg. No, Ferg. Sam Reinhart. Yeah, I don't even vote or anything anymore. It's like, pick your poison. Oh, a thick one. Back in the day, the other parties, they used to give their traits. Now they all just focus on dissing the other guy, you know. It's kind of ridiculous. So they can all eat it. Oh, nice. Out of 225 for the Tampa Bay Lightning and Aaron, a Vladislav Nemensnikov autograph, earning you a double 8. 1/8. Another autograph. Hey, for Todd. And this one's stamped way to the right. Joey Hishin autograph with a 225. I think I pulled this way already. That stamping on these stuff is like ridiculous. Well, the one thing about Trump and Justin Trudeau, they both got sweet hair. Oh wait, no they don't. True rookie out of $7.99 going to Shane Dog. It's Marco Dano. Did he? Oh, got a thick one and a rookie card in this one. Ding Corner rookie card out of $7.99 going to Ferg. It's Victor Rask. Oh, got a nice card here. The bottom left corner is a little ding there. See, Ferg. For Todd, yourself a Patrick Waugh jersey. Not too shabby. With a white speck on it. And that is, oh, a short printed too. $250. A lot of these are out of 600, so not bad. Single 8 for your pile as well. Doing pretty good. Oh, another thick one. Doing pretty good with Colorado on this one. Really? I like, they have a lot of leg, or a lot of pad piece triptychs too. Those are pretty cool. I know Cujo has a pad piece one. Hey, nice. For Aaron and the Tampa Bay Lightning Ice Premiers out of $3.99 Crystal, or not Ice Premiers, Crystal Premier Jonathan Drouin. That's worth a single 8 for your pile too, because it's not cardboard. Yeah. I wonder what they sell for though. If they're listed for $30. People list stuff for. Oh, we got a Radiant Green for Florida. Of $199 going to Shane Dog. It's Vincent Trocheck with a ridiculously dented bottom corners and top right corner. It's just smushed. But that's Upper Deck. People get used to it. They don't care. And this one is a Triptych jersey or something. Oh, nice. Short printed. For the Edmonton Oilers and Jack. This is a nice one, Jack. 27 goals, number 14 of 27, Taylor Hall. Yeah, I wouldn't pay $30 for any jersey. Well, maybe like a Gordie Howe or something. Regrets, but that's pretty cool. For Aaron in the New York Rangers, you got some King Henry jersey. So 2 goalie jersey cards here. Black jersey for you, Aaron. Out of 300, that's going to get you a single 8 for your pile. And here we go. This is going to be a puck signings. I'm thinking, oh, or a redemption. No. Oh, yeah, baby. Trilogy, signature pucks, normal version, no numbering for the Calgary Flames. Johnny Gaudreau. Johnny Hockey, puck